Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make blooming onion. It's a very interesting recipe that you all should try at least once. This blooming flower kind of onion is a very crispy and tasty snack that you can easily make at home. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. You need to take a big onion for this recipe, only then you will get nice and big petals. Chop off the edge. Peel the skin off. Chop the other end as well, but be careful, don't make it deep. Now cut the onion into 4 quarters. Leave some space in the top so that they hold on to each other. Make 2 more cuts in each quarters. Flip it to the other side and your beautiful blooming onion is ready. Today I have taken half cup of boiled and cooled milk in a bowl. To this add 1 tablespoon of corn flour and mix well. Make sure there are no lumps. Now to another bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, a teaspoon of oregano or any herbs of your choice, half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of chilli powder, and half teaspoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients well. Now keep both the bowls side by side. Dip the blooming onion into the milk mixture first. Drip off the excess milk and coat it well with the flour mixture. Now again soak it into the milk mixture and then to the flour mixture. Now refrigerate your blooming onion for an hour. Heat sufficient oil in the iron pot. This is just to make sure the temperature is even throughout the frying process. Drop in the blooming onion carefully. Keep the flame on high throughout the frying process. Let it fry for 3 minutes. Now flip it to the other side and let it cook for another 2 minutes. Remove when the blooming onion turns golden brown on both sides. To a mixer jar, add 4 idlis. Grind this well. Transfer to a mixing bowl. To this add 1 cup of besan or gram flour, half cup of rice flour, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, 1 onion finely chopped, 2 green chilies chopped, few chopped curry leaves and few chopped coriander leaves. Mix all the ingredients well. Then start to add little water at a time and knead it well. You're looking for a chapati dough consistency. You need to mash all the ingredients well so that the flavors of the onion, curry leaves, coriander leaves and the spices come together very well. Now the ingredients have come together very well, so pull out a small portion and keep it ready. Heat some oil in an iron pot. When the oil is hot, fry the pakoras in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again fry for 2 minutes in medium flame. Now the oil bubbles have settled and the pakoras are nice and crispy, so let's now remove them. Now our delicious leftover idli pakoda is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very delicious, crispy, easy and an instant snack recipe. So do try this leftover idli pakoda recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.